This video I'm going to show you the different navigators available in Flash. I'm using Flash 4.6. So to start with, I'm just creating a Flash project and I'm just calling it Navigator demo. I'm choosing a web application just to run it in the browser. The default settings are normal. This will just create a simple Flash application for you, and I'm just switching to design mode. And I normally start with a panel. So this panel that I'm creating, just targeting it to span the entire screen of this, and I want a tile layout on this, and 2 rows 2 columns, and let us create our sub panels which will hold different navigators. I'm just gonna add it. It is automatically spanning it. I'm just gonna increase the length so that it automatically switches. Okay, just gonna okay, so this creates your basic layout, and we're ready to go. So if you see here in the components, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 different types of navigators available, but I'm going to just show you a couple which are mostly used. My favorites is accordion, link button bar, tab navigator. So for every navigator you need a view stack. View stack is basically which holds the different views of the application. The views can be static, or you can point it to a separate component that you have created. So let us do that. So this first is let's call us link bar. I'm gonna name it link bar demo, and just create a view stack under this. Okay, I'm just doing a vertical layout just to show. So if you view stack, I'm just gonna create a new just a dummy view stack for now, and then create a link bar. So this is your link bar, this is your view stack. So if I'm going to link bar, just to have some little bit of padding here on the panel, that it is clear. On the link bar, if you see there's a plus and minus sign, I'm just going to click plus and just say view 1, and just add view 2. Okay, so here if you go, now your link button bar, the data provider is set to view stack, and the view stack is now having got created duplicate, so 2 views. Again, as I said, this can be your custom XML file which you can create and just call it from here, but just for the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna create a separate component here itself, view 1, and same here. So if you see here, you will see view 1 and view 2 here. So this creates our link bar panel. Let's do the same for others. For button bar, again we'll do the same thing, just setting the layout to a vertical layout, padding of 5 5 5 5, and calling it button bar demo, and let's place our button bar here, and then let's place our view stack here. So if I just do the same thing, button bar, So if you go here, this is view stack 2 created. Now this, any navigator, you need to associate it to a view stack. So if I just add it, it'll ask which view stack you wanted to associate it. I'm just going to do it with 2 and say layer 1, sorry, view 1, and 2 times. Just gonna correct it, and view stack 2, and it is data provider now set. Button bar demo is also done. Now the third layout that we are gonna do is tab bar or tab navigator. So let me select tab bar. For easier sake, I'm just gonna copy this panel, tab bar demo, and I'm just gonna keep it tab bar, and this is my third data provider, third one, so it got reflected here. Okay, so last one is my accordion that I want to show you. If I just present accordion here and just call it accordion demo, and again vertical layout 5 5 5 5, view 1, and if I add it, view 2. If you go here, you will see 2 views 1 and view 2 added in the accordion. Okay, so this is how your application looks. Let's just span it to match. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so this is done. Let us run the application. If you see, it has created 4 views for you. This is your link bar, so it automatically switches between 2 views. This is actually component switching. You can do component switching as well. This is your tab bar switching, this is your view based switching, and this is your accordion based. We do not have any text here if you see here, so let us go and check why. If you go here, we have not created labels inside this, so just create the labels. Here also create the labels. This accordion was not fully resized. I'm just gonna resize this. Now if we run the application, view 1, view 2, all the same we copied, so this should be fine. That's how we do an accordion and this. So I'm just gonna replace it so that it appears correctly everywhere one last time. Let's run the application for the last time. Now if you see view 1, view 2 coming fine, view 1, view 2 coming fine, view 1, view 2 coming fine, view 1, view 2 coming fine. This is the different navigators inside Flex 406. Hope you like it.